Alright everyone, today we are working on a classic TMUA thinking question. This type of problem is very important because it tests your ability to recognize the patterns, use the properties of definite integrals and avoid heavy calculations by thinking smartly. In TMUA, whenever you see many integrals added together, your first thought should be, can I combine them into one single integral? So let's start. Question is, for any integer n greater than equal to 0, integration of n to n plus 1 fx dx is equal to n plus 1. Now evaluate this thing. Okay. Now first understand the given information. We are told integration 1 n to n plus 1 fx dx is equal to what? N plus 1. So the area over each unit interval is known. Now let's write the values. Integration 0 to 1 fx dx is equal to 1 and integration 0 to 3 fx dx is equal to 3 and integration 0 to 5 fx dx is equal to 5. Now break each integral. Now we express everything in terms of unit intervals. Now the first term is what? Integration 0 to 3 fx dx, that is 0 to 1 plus 1 to 2 plus 2 to 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Second term is what? Integration of 1 to 3 fx dx, which is 1 to 2 plus 2 to 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And third term is what? Integration of 2 to 3 fx dx is equal to 3 and fourth term 3 to 4 fx dx is equal to 4 and fifth term 4 to 5 fx dx is equal to 5. Now add everything. So total becomes what? Total becomes 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now add step by step. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 and 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. So the final answer for this question will be 23. Okay. Now listen. Instead of calculating the integrals, recognize the unit interval pattern, use the given formula directly and break large intervals into known pieces. Now this saves a lot of time. Another smart observation, each unit interval contributes multiple times. Like interval 0 to 1 appears once, interval 1 to 2 appears twice, 2 to 3 3 times, 3 to 4 once and 4 to 5 once. This counting method is another quick TMUA trick. Now in today's lesson, in TMUA, pattern recognition is more powerful than the calculation things. Whenever you see the multiple definite integrals, okay, break into unit intervals, then use the given values and think systematically. Now in the next session, we will solve a problem involving functions and inequalities and another high frequency TMUA topic. So keep practicing and remember, the smartest shortcut is always hidden in the structure of the question. Okay, so I hope this solution is clear to you. So see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing with only Dr. Shourab's classes. So bye bye and take care.